Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the battery indicator and plug in a temporary power source if below 20%. Next, retrieve the master code, mobile app login, or physical backup key so you can act immediately. Now approach the lock, keep the phone within the recommended range, and disable any interfering devices. This speeds authentication and reduces retries, so fewer lockouts. Once done, open the app or access the keypad and prepare to enter credentials. You are ready to begin the first authentication step. You now perform the core authentication. Enter the master PIN or tap the biometric sensor, listen for confirmation tones, and watch LEDs for status. If unlocking via app, enable Bluetooth, select the lock name, then confirm pairing prompts. This establishes a secure channel. Make sure any two-factor prompts are completed. If a keypad requires sequence timing, pause exactly as instructed because timing matters. Once the lock confirms success, physically rotate the thumb turn or press the actuator to disengage the bolt and open the door. You finish by verifying the bolt is fully retracted and testing the door swing. A partial retraction suggests alignment or power issues. If the lock doesn't open, first restore power or swap batteries, then retry authentication. Sometimes a simple restart clears transient errors. If wireless pairing fails, move closer and reattempt. If that still fails, use the physical backup key to avoid lockout. As a troubleshooting tip, document error codes or take a clear photo of any indicators before contacting support so they can resolve the issue faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.